Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. Before we begin, please take 1 second to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your engagement helps millions of English learners become more confident and natural speakers. Thank you so much. Today, I'm going to destroy one of the biggest myths in English learning. The myth that says you need advanced grammar to sound fluent. This is one of the biggest lies in the language learning world. Because the truth is simple. You don't need advanced grammar. You need natural communication. Let's break it down. Myth. Fluent people know complex grammar. Most learners believe, if I learn the past perfect, if I learn conditionals, if I learn advanced structures, then I'll sound fluent. But this is not how fluency works. Think about children. Think about immigrants. Think about travelers. Think about people who live abroad. Many of them speak English fluently, without knowing advanced grammar at all. Because fluency is not academic. Fluency is practical. Truth. Fluency comes from speed plus confidence plus rhythm. Fluency is not perfect grammar, perfect sentences, complex structures, academic vocabulary. Fluency is speaking without overthinking, checking mark reacting instantly, using natural phrases, connecting words smoothly, expressing emotion, communicating clearly. You can sound fluent with very simple grammar if your rhythm and phrases are natural. Why advanced grammar doesn't matter in real conversations. Let's test something. When you talk to a native speaker, do they use past perfect continuous, complex conditionals, advanced passive structures, academic constructions? Almost never. Real English sounds like this. I've been busy. I'm not sure. Let's go. I'll think about it. I'm gonna check. It's not a big deal. Do you want to join? Sounds good. I don't mind. Simple, natural, efficient. Native speakers use simple grammar, but natural expressions. That's the real difference. The secret. Learn phrases, not rules. Fluent English doesn't come from grammar. It comes from phrases. For example, instead of learning how to form the present continuous, learn the phrase, I'm doing it. Instead of learning future forms, learn the phrase, I'll let you know. Instead of learning modal verbs. Learn. I might go. I should try. I have to leave. Phrases equals fluency. Grammar rules equals academic knowledge. Real example. Which one sounds fluent? Example. A. I do not understand what you are saying. Could you please repeat the information? Example B. Sorry, what was that? Say that again. Come again? Wait, what do you mean? B sounds natural. B sounds fluent. B uses simple grammar, but real English. Fluent English is emotional, fast, and full of shortcuts. Why over-focusing on grammar makes you speak worse? Here's what happens when you obsess over grammar. You think too much. You freeze. You hesitate. You panic. You translate. You lose rhythm. You speak slowly. You sound unnatural. Grammar creates pressure. Pressure kills fluency. Most learners don't need more grammar. They need less thinking. Fluency is the ability to speak without analysis. The 3 levels of grammar you actually need. You don't need advanced grammar. You only need these 3 levels. Level 1. Present, past, future. Basic timeline. Easy! You already know this. Level 2. Modal verbs. Can, could, should, might, have to. These help you express everything. Level 3. Conditionals, simple ones. If it rains, I'll stay home. If I had time, I'd go. That's it. Everything beyond this is optional and not necessary for fluency. Focus on what actually makes you sound fluent. Here are the real fluency boosters. 1. Rhythm. Stress the right words. Reduce the small ones. 2. Phrases. Use natural expressions. 3. Emotion. Speak with feeling. 4. Speed. Don't speak word by word. 5. Confidence. Even simple sentences sound fluent when said confidently. Grammar does not make you fluent. These do. The real truth you need to hear. You don't sound fluent because of your grammar. You sound fluent because of your delivery. Your flow matters. Your tone matters. Your confidence matters. Your rhythm matters. Your phrasing matters. Nobody cares if your grammar is 100% correct. They care if your message is clear and your speaking sounds natural. That is fluency. If this lesson helped you, please take 1 second to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps millions of learners discover simple, natural ways to speak English with confidence. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing.